So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on time and language. And now you're going to click on language and region. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, where it says preferred languages, you're going to click on add a language. And you can now search for the language that you want to switch to. I want to be doing German, so I'm going to type in German. And I'm going to go with this one right here. So now I'm going to click on this. And then click on next. And you could also install these optional features as well if you want to. So you can untick this or you can tick this, is up to you. And then under language preferences, you want to select set as my Windows display language. And then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once you have a language installed, it's going to appear right here. You now want to click on the three dots and then click on move up. Make sure that you have it on the top of the list, which will then change your Windows display language to the one that you just installed. And then once you've done all of that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then your language will be changed.